A common challenge in Unity game development is building a third-person camera system that smoothly follows player movement without complex custom coding. Today, we'll solve this using Unity's built-in Cinemachine FreeLook Camera and input axis controller for a seamless setup. Open Window and select Package Manager. In the top search bar, make sure Unity Registry is selected, search for Cinemachine, and hit Install. Since we've already added Unity's Robot Kyle starter asset from the Asset Store, open the Package Manager, select My Assets, search for Robot Kyle, and click Import. Once imported, go to the project window, navigate to Unity Technologies, open the Space Robot Kyle folder, then the Models folder, and drag the Robot Kyle model into the Hierarchy window. Next, go to the Starter Assets folder, open Environment, then Prefabs, and drag the Environment prefab into the Hierarchy window. Now, right-click the Robot Kyle model in the Hierarchy window, hover over Prefab, and select Unpack Completely. Go to the Game Object menu, navigate to Cinemachine, open Targeted Camera, and select FreeLook Camera to add it to your hierarchy. Rename this newly created game object to Player Follow Camera, then assign the Robot Kyle model to the Cinemachine camera's tracking target field. Now, go to the procedural component on the Player Follow Camera game object and set its position control value to Orbital Follow. In this same component, set the orbital style to 3-ring. Then, set the height and radius values as follows: top to 3.5 and 2, center to 1.5 and 3.5, and bottom to 0.3 and 1.5. Now, head down to the Cinemachine Rotation Composer component and set the target offset Y value to 1.5. This will center the camera's focus right on our model's chest. Now, add the Input Axis Controller component. You'll see that the input actions are already set to default. Because we imported Unity's Robot Kyle starter asset, there's no need to change anything. This automatically binds our mouse input. Now, let's hit the play button and test it out. Perfect. Everything is working exactly as expected. And that's it. You now have a fully functional Cinemachine camera system tracking your player. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more Unity guides, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy game developing.